I believe I can fly! Equal Bible. Check that out. I really thought I could fly that time. Turns out, magic is not real. Let me tell you a story why I got into Harry Potter. Back then, when I was a kid, I turned on my TV and I saw something interesting, which is Harry Potter's Chamber of Secrets. The first two movies came out, I started watching it, and I began to like it. So, I'm a huge fan of Harry Potter. This is why I named my YouTube channel Danny HP. Short term of Harry Potter. And get this, in today's video, I will be showing you this. We will be testing out this Invisibility Cloak to see if this actually works. Now let's get into this.
Okay, I need to do this quick and fast before Danny HP gets back. This calls for extreme montage.
No, we are not doing this. I found a cadaver. That was terrifying to see. I wish I would never see that again. Oh my gosh, guys, this really does work. You see my body? Now you don't. You see my head? Now you don't. I give this invisibility cloth 2 thumbs up.